back to our channel, and for today's video I will be taking you on a virtual tour from Panjim right until Kalangut, and I will be showing you around as to what are the things that are open, and also showing you whether or not our tour is back and what is the current situation like. And I just finished off with a heavy lunch at the Konkan canteen. I hope that you have probably watched that video. If you haven't, then go check that out. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell to get notified as and when I post new videos. And also please do give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video, and please feel free to leave your comments below. I will answer each one of them, I promise. And so let's go. So this is the famous Panjim church, as many people know, but the actual name of it is Immaculate Conception Church. And then you have on my left, there's this place here which is quite famous, and I kind of forgot the name of it. Let me see if I can catch a glimpse. What is it called, Kiran?
It's called George Goan family restaurant, and also that's one, Shamsuddin.
So you have all of these markets and all of this open. So from here, since we're heading towards Kalangut, we take this right, and then we cross the bridge, and let's see if I can probably go on the big bridge, the 𝐈𝐍𝐓𝐄𝐑𝐈𝐿 Setu bridge.
It's called the 𝐈𝐍𝐓𝐄𝐑𝐈𝐿 Setu bridge, correct. So this is Garcia de Ota, that's the name of the park. It's a beautiful one.
And I think we just crossed one of the oldest bakeries that is here in Panjim. It's called Mr. Baker. So for all the locals who actually live here in Goa, Panjim is like the main hub for all of us. Be it our things related to the kitchen, or even your electrical and electronics, everything and anything that you need. I think people from all over Goa probably come here. I'm not sure if people from the south, do they have an option?
The major stuff, if they don't get in south, they have to come to Panjim itself. This is the biggest market, Panjim market. This is about 2 or 3 floors, wherein you get 100% of the solutions. And there are some shops which are specialized to certain things, from smallest to the largest stuff, like bigger stuff, whatever, you get everything in Panjim market.
True. So on my left here is the famous Mandoli River, as you can see. And many of you have commented asking whether or not are the water sports open, and do we have the casinos that are open. Unfortunately, no. The answer is no, because everything is currently shut due to the current situation, and we're hopeful that it will open soon, and probably we should have an update in the month of October. But as soon as we have some sort of an update, I can assure you and promise you that I will make a video and give you an update. But as of now, your ferries and all of that is shut anyways. So I've made a video on what is the update about tourism, so you can go ahead and check that out as well in my previous video. I'll probably put a link in the description as well, so you can go ahead and check that out.
That's 𝐈𝐿 Setu.
So this bridge, guys, is actually gorgeous. I mean, every Sunday evenings, I think about 7 in the evening onwards, it is completely lit, and it looks amazing. So I'll just post a picture. So this is how it looks in the night. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if at all you are here in Goa on a Sunday night, don't miss going for a long drive on this bridge. You will really enjoy it.
And 2-wheelers are not allowed, by the way. Only 4-wheelers can be allowed.
Correct.
Also, you cannot stop on top of the bridge while you are on the bridge.
So you can maybe slow down, but you can't actually stop.
To
take pictures and things like that.
So this is the way to go to the bridge.
Yeah, so if we had
the
to
main
take that
bridge.
right, then we would have probably, landed up on the smaller bridge. But since the idea is that for us to go on the 𝐈𝐍𝐓𝐄𝐃 bridge, then we go further straight down and then we take a U-turn and that would take us back. So I'll show you once I'm on the bridge. So we're on the bridge and this is what it looks like.
But if you look around, there's no much of traffic. Also, not many tourists here near Panjim. Most of the tourists are near Kalangut or Baga, Anjuna, Bagator, the other side of the town.
And check out the sky. It is gorgeous.
Yeah, I know, it's beautiful.
I think the speed limit here is 50 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yeah, on this bridge.
So, however, on Sundays you can come.
Let me see if I can. There is.
So this is the starting point of the bridge in case if you want to see how beautiful it would be on Sundays.
Yeah.
And the view is gorgeous from here otherwise.
So another thing that we keep getting asked all the time is what is the current weather like, in Goa? So currently, until I think about 2 weeks back, it was continuously raining heavy every single day without a miss. But now the rains are kind of subsiding. So I think it's a good time if you're planning to actually come down. But everything else will open, in the month of October.
Yeah, in terms of options, you will find very limited options right now in terms of shacks to the pubs and things like that. And also the timings, it's not like full-fledged. And the capacity is about 50% in most of the places. But if you're looking at that, hardcore, or rather the Goa that you want to see, I think end of October is the right time to come down. And that's the opening of the season as well.
Correct. So this is the way that you have to come to, if at all you want to come to the other side from Panjim, be it Baga or even Bagator, Anjuna, Kalangut. So you have to cross the bridge and then head straight and then take your left further. Okay, so we're just entering the petrol bunk.
Let me ask him how much is it per liter.
I think it's around 96 rupees. Okay, so
Petrol is 1 liter petrol कितना है sir?
103.
वो पेट्रोल है ना? डीजल? डीजल पेट्रोल का रेट कितना है?
हाँ बाबा पेट्रोल है
19.
अच्छा, so almost the same. Okay.
So diesel is 94 rupees.
2000 rupees
95
diesel.
rather. And petrol is?
Around 95
95
is petrol,
rupees.
yeah.
Okay.
Diesel है ना? Oh, thank you.
Check out the greenery. Wow.
It's so beautiful. So this is about 4 kilometers away from Kalangut. It's on the way basically.
Yeah, so after this I will also be taking you to candolim beach and showing you what it is like now. And the last time, I think about 5 days back, when we actually went to the candolim beach fort side, it was absolutely crowded.
It's farming is happening that side. But yeah, compared to last week, now I can see some crowd.
Yeah, I think almost on a daily basis you can see more and more.
Yes.
People actually traveling, because I keep getting a lot of comments from our subscribers as well, that they're planning for a trip and within a week or couple of days and things like that. So yes, Goa, the good news is that Goa is getting back to how it was, and hopefully I think for us to not be in a situation of a lockdown again and where history repeats, the only way is for everyone to be vaccinated. So if you haven't taken a shot of vaccination, I would highly recommend that you do that, because in this way you're not only keeping yourself safe but also others, and this is the only way that we can probably avoid further lockdowns and things like that. So up ahead there's this church. One thing that I really like about Goa is that it has the pollution levels compared to so many other metropolitan cities. It's a lot lesser, and of course the greenery.
Yeah, nature.
Yeah, nature. Also, many of you have requested for a video to show you what are the best options for all those of you who are looking to come down short term, maybe for a month or two, or till the end of this year, until things are back to normal, showing you what is the lifestyle like, and what are the rents, and what is it that you can expect, especially people from the corporate industry like us, who recently moved here due to the pandemic, and also to do with the work from home situation. So I'll be making a video on that, and so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because then you wouldn't miss any sort of a video when we post. So this is the circle, and
so we take a right turn.
Yeah, so we take a right here, and further ahead on your left hand side is KFC. It is quite crowded actually. So all of your shops and your restaurants. Some of them are closed because I think it's afternoon time and it's lunchtime actually, so that could be the reason why they're closed.
But otherwise, most of the shops in Goa they do take break in the afternoons. That's from 1 in the afternoon till about 3 p.m.
Yeah.
So we can see
there are some foreigners. So tourism is happening. I mean, people are traveling, and which is a good thing. But of course, we all have to make sure that we're safe, because that is our number one priority for everyone.
So this is where you find In the evening time, all the eateries.
And that's the parking area.
Yeah, quite a few shops are open today. Otherwise,
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, pretty much all the shops are open on the Kalangut Road,
On the
Beach Road.
yeah. And that's the beach ahead. I wouldn't be going to the beach because it's afternoon time and I don't think, you know, there'll be any crowd or anything as such on the beach. So I thought I'll skip that. So I'm at the main entrance to Kalangut and there is quite some crowd. So that's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel if you're new. And the next video, I will be showing you around candolim. So stay tuned. Bye for now.